Hey guys, how's it going? How to add an admin to Facebook page. First of all, log into your account and go to your pages by clicking the three bars at the top right. Go to pages and then click on, let me switch right here, for example, to this page. Click the three horizontal lines and then basically go ahead to the settings, right? And then select page roles, right, or page details, and you can find right here page details. And basically you're gonna see the admin info, right? And you're gonna be able to see all of that information. Go back right here and then go to the page setup, right? And you're gonna see the name, page access, page management history, page status, right? And click the page management history. You're gonna see who managed the page, and go ahead and click page access, right? And then assign a new page role section and enter the person's name or email address, and then select admin from the drop down menu. Add and enter your password to confirm. The person will receive a notification and become an admin of your page once they accept the invitation. So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.